Hi, I am Kuldeep Prasad Pawar, working as an assistant professor in All India Sri Shivaji Memorial Society's Institute of Information Technology in Department of Electronics and Telecommunication Engineering. Today we are going to discuss about the pulse position modulation technique. Before we are going to start the pulse position modulation technique, first we have to know the what is meant by modulation. Modulation can be defined as the process of varying a parameter of carrier signal in accordance with the instantaneous value of message signal. Modulation is used to reduce the size of antenna and it increases the efficiency of the signal. There are three types of pulse modulation systems, that is PAM, PWM and PPM. In previous videos we discussed about the PAM and PWM techniques. In this video we discuss about the pulse position modulation technique. What is the pulse position modulation technique? In PPM, amplitude and width of the pulses are kept constant, but the position of each pulse is varied in accordance to the amplitudes of sampled values of modulating signal. The PPM pulses can be derived from the PWM pulses. Note that with the increase in the modulating voltage, the PPM pulses shift further with respect to the reference. See the waveform. In that waveform, the first input signal and sawtooth waveform is applied to the comparator, which generates the PWM signal. The PWM signal is acts as an input to the monostable multivibrator, and the monostable multivibrator gives the output as a PPM output. The what the input signal, that is sawtooth waveform and the sine waveform, both are compared in the comparator block. At the output of comparator we get the PWM signal. See the falling edge. See the falling edge of sawtooth signal. We get the rising edge of PWM signal, and at the rising edge of sawtooth signal we get the falling edge of PWM signal. So in PWM signal the amplitude of pulses remains constant, but the width of the pulses gets changed. The PWM signal is applied to the monostable multivibrator as an input signal. So the monostable multivibrator gives the output high at the negative edge. At the negative edge of the PWM signal we get the positive edge of PPM signal. So in the PPM signal, amplitude and width of the pulses remains same, only position of the pulses gets changed. Thank you.